So here we're adjusting the neck, the lower neck. Without having to twist and crank the spine. All right. The middle back. And the ribs. Okay. Now, I want you to turn your head over this way. And that's not short anymore. Face back down. Look up. Good. Squeeze both elbows in. Good. Tuck your chin to your chest. Good, 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 good. How's that feel on the lower back?
Better.
Better. How's that knee feel?
Better.
Good.